Alright guys, the time has come. The pitter has got another mod. And this time, we're going to stop it from sounding like a bloody post bike. So let's unbox this bad boy and do a little bit of a review on it. Good old Aliexpress exhaust. Righto, so for anyone who knows me really well, I'm an absolute demon for Aliexpress stuff. Especially motorbike stuff. I like to test the durability of it. However, this exhaust, this wasn't on the cheaper side of things. This was a little bit pricey actually. And compared to two other brands, which mind you, I will put up their prices, it's the exact same exhaust. So if you check this one out and this one out, that's this one. Anyway, let's get into it. Wow. Ooh, it's all shiny. And there we have the tip. Oh, look at that. Don't tell me that just sits on there. Maybe it does. Yeah, it just sits on there. I paid $200 off of Aliexpress for this. It took 2 months to come. Been waiting a while. So long, Mr. Long. Let's make this thing sound like an actual pit bike and not a postie. Let's rip in. It's got a little ding on it. Go. Oh, look how freaking ugly that thing is. Right, so of course we've got to listen to how this thing sounds with no exhaust, right? Oh, it sounds like a bubble machine. That looks better already. Always looking for missing stuff. Don't mind me, it was never missing, it's just here. Idiot. Righto, moment of truth. Let's fire up, see what she sounds like. Righto, looks good.
Waiting on calls, flipping through stations. I'm outclassed, it's outrageous.
Out here on the 110, we're going to do a sound test on the new pipe and see how it sounds. Now I already know how it sounds because I had to write it to where I am, but let's start her up, get into it. Righto guys, so my honest review on this Aliexpress exhaust, 8.5 out of 10. That sounds unreal, has definitely made the bike faster. Guys, for $200, that is an absolute steal. It looks good, it sounds amazing. You can't beat that. So jump on AliExpress, get yourself one. So shout out to AliExpress. If you like the content, like, follow, subscribe, and keep it going. Thanks, guys.
Damn, I look good, calm and cool. No need to prove, no need to move. Same old world, but I step through new. Fresh cut glow, coming straight through. Tip paid dab, step outside, even the air feel different.